Imagine a kitchen where cooking becomes effortless and enjoyable. The Elite Gourmet Electric Hotpot is your new best friend. With a powerful 1000 to 1200 watts, it heats up quickly, making meal prep a breeze. Whether you're simmering a delicious broth, sautéing veggies, or even boiling pasta, this versatile hot pot does it all. Its ceramic coating ensures even heat distribution and easy cleanup, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring your meals. Plus, the adjustable temperature control lets you customize your cooking experience, whether you're going for a gentle simmer or a rapid boil. Compact and stylish, it fits perfectly on any countertop, making it ideal for small spaces or gatherings. Elevate your cooking game with the Elite Gourmet Electric Hotpot and turn every meal into a culinary adventure. Buy now, link in the description, and more products. Subscribe now.